Hey, good afternoon everybody. Today is, what's today?
July 16th.
July 16, 2019, the first day of the rest of our lives. And happy days, my Balikbayan box has finally arrived after only 70
days.
Only after 70 days. I shipped it via UMAC. It's the same guys as 2 years ago. They delivered it, and you have to take your photo to show like proof of delivery and all that stuff. And it was the same guys that delivered it 2 years ago. And there was a mix-up with the delivery, but we got through it. All right, first up. Oh, look, hon. Vampire Girl. How to Be a Friend. I got a bunch of books for the kids at Goodwill in the United States in Florida. And there's a bunch of those, and we're going to be going through those. I also got Blue Diamond Wasabi and soy sauce flavored almonds. These things are the Bizom. I got some Ziploc slider bags. These are quart size. You never know when you need those. And I got some more of them. Desiccants. Desiccants are very important, especially if you have DSLRs and high quality lenses in the Philippines because of the tropical humid air. The humidity is really bad and the mildew builds up really fast in them. So you need to get these desiccants. And what you can do with these desiccants is after they get saturated, you can throw them into the microwave and basically recharge them. Okay, we got some more books for the kids. We got a lot of books for the kids. We're going to be giving these away. I'm not going to go through all of them. There's a whole bunch. But what was cool was, because I used to love reading when I was a kid. I mean, look at this. Come on, hop on pop. We're talking class A stuff. I can read with my eyes shut. So when I do this every year when I go shopping and for the books for the kids, it's like it brings me back to my childhood. The little golden books, these little golden books, 101 Dalmatians. I love this stuff. I also got some wasabi peas. I should have sent another Balikbayan box. These are so dang good. Wasabi peas, you can't get these in the Philippines. These are delicious. I love these. I like to mix them with the almonds. It's fantastic. All right, we got more books for the kids. The Pooh Story book, all good stuff. Dora the Explorer, The Wide Awake Princess, more Dr. Seuss, The Cat in the Hat. I might keep this. Also Fox and Socks. Gotta love that. Oh, more almonds, more wasabi onions. Oh. Okay, got a toner cartridge for my laser printer that's supposed to work on 220 volts. We're gonna find out if that's actually true in another video. Here's some more laptops that I brought over. These are Lenovo T440S's. These are really nice. I love these. They're perfect for the Philippines because they're mil-spec against heat, dust, humidity, all that stuff. There's more laptops, a couple more laptops in there. We got power supplies for the laptops. We got more almonds, wasabi almonds. You can't see it, but Chichai's family is all arrayed around behind the tripod and they're all watching. It's kind of unnerving. I think one of them was actually filming me filming. More almonds, more wasabi almonds. You gotta be careful with these things though, because these can break your teeth. Some fish oil. These are expensive in the Philippines, so I got these here. Oh, also please excuse my appearance. I've been outside literally digging up water hoses all day, so I'm filthy and I'm tired. We got some Amazon basic rechargeable batteries. These are very similar to Eneloop batteries and a little bit cheaper. They work really well. And I have a lot of devices that need rechargeable batteries, so that's why I got those. I got some Bic pens, and you might be asking yourself, Ned, why did you get Bic pens? Because it's really hard to get these in the Philippines. It's really hard to source them. And the one place in Dumaguete that had them, National Bookstore, recently closed. Got a power cable for the laser printer that's supposed to work on Philippines current. We'll find out. Okay, I also got a bunch of knickknacks, you know, for decoration, a variety of things. These are all from Goodwill. They're all cheap. This was $2.98. It's just a little fish. It's like, you know, Japanese style fish. It's pretty cool. I like it. So there's a bunch of knickknacks, and we're not going to go through all those because it's kind of good. More fish oil, because you can't have enough fish oil. And this right here is the laser printer. I'll put the model type down that it is. Hopefully this is going to work. In the owner's manual, it says that it only operates on 110 or 120 volts, but when I contacted Best Buy, they assured me that it was going to work on 220 or 240 volts. So what we're going to do a little bit later is plug this bad boy in on video to see if it blows up or not. So either way, it's going to make a good video, and it's also going to be proof to Best Buy that it doesn't run on 220 or 240 volts. And I want my money back. Digging deeper, here we go. Okay, we got more laptops. We got 2 more laptops here. Got a fry pan. Yeah, this one's a nice one. Ceramic coating and everything. Goodwill, $6.98. Can't beat that with a stick. Got a Rain Pro umbrella. This is Amazon. This is one of the most highly rated little travel umbrellas, and it's the Philippines. And as the last couple days I've tested, you need umbrellas. Knickknacks. Knick-knack paddywhack. Knickknacks. Isn't this like the most exciting video I've ever done? Okay, here we go. We got more books. We got Star Wars coloring books. We got, I think I had this one as a kid. Busy Busy World book, the Golden Book. We got Frozen. I didn't have this one as a kid. About animals, Little People. Remember Little People? Fisher Price. Insect World, Little Children's Book of Virtues, because you know it's important to have virtues. Another big Frozen book. This is my personal favorite. Got Charlie Brown Dictionary, Thidwick, the Big-Hearted Moose. He's a big-hearted moose. Fisher Price, Little People, all about bedtime. Sky and Earth, some educational stuff. Disney Princess. Ariel's Undersea Adventures, and Beaver Gets Lost. Oh my. I wonder if the camera's picking up my filthy, dirty knee from working outside all day. I haven't even taken a shower. Look at me, I got dirt all over me. Yeah, whatever. Bahalana. Also have William Goldman, The Princess Bride, which is a fantastic book. I also enjoyed the movie immensely. I got more charger cables. I got some multivitamins. These are from Walgreens, and I got some deodorant, because it's hard to find deodorant. You can find all the antiperspirant you want in the Philippines, but finding deodorant can be a little sketchy. And I always get these 2-packs. They're real cheap in the United States. And these 2-packs should last me a year. Alright, so that's basically it. We're going to be giving the books to the kids, probably be giving away the laptops, because if you know me around Desiccants City, you know how many laptops I give away. And I'm just glad it got here. And the UMac is really good, and I've used them before, I've used them previously. Shipping from Florida to the Philippines, it only took 70 days, that ain't too bad. And it's just really nice to get something that from America, from your home to your new home. So that's about it. Maybe we'll plug in the printer and see if it blows up or not. Till next time, this is Ned over My Philippine Dreams and this Chi-Chat. We'll see you next time. Bye. And that's the rest of the family. They're all on their phones.
Not me.
Social media.
Facebook.
I got a lot of rechargeable devices, and I have a lot of Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.